Now we got to take this box off, the air box, air cleaner. What I'm going to do with this is I'm going to take each of these parts and put them in the back. That's the best thing. We're going to have to take this off. There's some clips on the side. Take all those off. Alright, then this will lift right off. Alright, there we go. Now I can see a little bit more of what's going on here. Got an air filter. Now that's fairly new air filter. Okay, there. Now this got clips on it. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4 clips, and then this is the hinge side, and also it's got this intake here where the air goes in. You might need one of these. This is a magnet, or this one. This is a claw tool. Either one will work. Depends on what you drop, because these are lightweight and they aren't going to take very much to break them. This is about the limit. I dropped this. Unfortunately, it fell down where I get access to it. Alright, this is the next thing we got to get. This is more of the air box. This bolt right here, there's one here, and I believe there's one over here on this side. Very difficult to see it. These bolts are really rusty. They aren't going to give in very easy. Alright, now there's a bolt underneath this outlet, or inlet I should say, and then there's another bolt over here. There's another bolt right down there. Now once you get those two loose, then just pull the whole thing out. And I have to get this bracket out so that I can get one of the, we're going to replace the ignition coils. Definitely need the universal on there. Now these tools are Craftsman, but it's up to you what kind of brand do you want. Watch you don't lose your bolt, like I think I did. No, I didn't. Save your nuts. Do about this whole thing. You can restore it to original condition if that's what you want to do. All I did was spray each coil with a little bit of electronic cleaner. CRC is a really good brand as far as I know, and I like it. You got to be careful that you don't crush this connector, because they're kind of delicate, and also they're on there really tight. Now, I should have mentioned this before, but I'm gonna have to take this loose before we start messing with the electrical system. This is the negative battery terminal. This is a good time to clean your battery terminals if that's what you want to do. This one is pretty much clean already. Alright, the best way to get these off there is you're supposed to press this top right here, but I found that it was better to take a hammer, put it on the connector, and then tap it just a little bit. Alright, now I got one extension on, put another one on. Alright, here is one of the coils that I took out, and look at that spark plug, man, that thing is rusted. Alright, now the spark plug gap is 42 thousandths. So what I did was I got one 20 thousandths and one 22 thousandths, so that's 42 thousandths. You can have, there's various different kinds of gauges that you can use. Some of them have an adjustment tool on them. This one doesn't. This gap's a little bit narrow. Different ideas on what to do here. My idea is just use a screwdriver, and although it is tight, you can adjust it just a little bit. All right, that's good enough. All right. Yeah, there's differing views on how you should do this, but I do it the old way, you can do it however you want. Alright, this one was a little bit narrow. Now, one of the easiest ways to put these new spark plugs back in, by the way, this is for an 03 Dodge 1500. It's got a 3.7 liter engine, which is a 6-cylinder. And another thing is that these are champions, and the number is RC10MCC. That's R as in Robert, C as in care, 10, M as in Mary, C as in cat, and C as in cat. And another thing is that this one has a universal joint on it, and it also has a little rubber piece in it that can help you, because that will hold this spark plug where you want it. And then you can go get another spark plug one that is straight instead of having this universal joint, which I'm going to do right now. Alright, here is the tool I bought. This is going to help me a lot, because this will make it so that this spark plug will stay in there like that. But now it's going to be really hard to get it out of there, because this thing oh boy, I guess they want it to stay in there, but now I got to take the extension and put it back in. I forgot something that I want to do. I want to put a little anti-seize on it. This particular one's made by Permatex, and it does work really well. Okay, you want to use your torque wrench to get it tight. £20 doesn't sound like very much, and it's not. Alright, now here are the torque specifications for 3.7 liter V6. And according to this, it's 20 foot-pounds. Now the reason why that is because this is aluminum. These are aluminum heads on this engine, and they won't take very much at all. Another thing, now as you can see at the top, ignition system, spark plug type, 3.7 liter. Now according to this, they recommend NGK's ZFR 6F-11G. It is okay for this type of pickup. As you can see here, this is for 1500s. So you might want to pick up one of these. It's a Hayes repair manual. Now if you want to know which socket I'm using, this is a 1/2-inch drive, and it's a 5/8. Now you can possibly try to find a 16 millimeter, but you will not probably find one, because this one has the rubber inside. It's very difficult to see it right there, but it does have the rubber inside to hold the spark plug in there. So now I'm going to try to get out the second one, which would be back there. Sometimes even your best efforts do not foresee every problem. there was a little hose right here. I broke it off. So now I gotta try to plug that hole up so I can drain the radiator. This hose right here was on this little piece of pipe, plastic, and broke it. So now I gotta drain the radiator and fix that. And I'm not sure if I can fix it.